All right, let's look at the ideas and roadmap area of ProLine. The ideas and roadmap area, which is accessible right here in the main menu inside of ProLine. This is how we as a company prioritize features as we're building them. So if you've been following ProLine at all, you know that we develop features faster than anybody else, hands down. And we develop them typically on schedule as opposed to most other platforms. Now, a huge aspect of that helps us to accomplish that and to actually launch the features that are needed most is the ideas and roadmap area of ProLine here. So anybody, even sales reps, owners, anyone that uses ProLine is able to come into this ideas and roadmap area and submit new ideas for approval. There's sometimes some back and forth between our team and the person who submitted the idea just to make sure the idea is refined and clear. But once that idea has been approved, it goes into the features area. And then anyone else that uses ProLine can go in and vote on those ideas to get them prioritized. So a perfect example here is multiple assignees for each project. This was added back in April, so just a few months ago. And this specific idea has gotten a lot of votes in a fairly short amount of time. So it's started kind of gaining some speed. And so we actually shifted around our roadmap. We were working on some things that didn't have as much votes, so we didn't feel it was as high a priority. And so this week we actually switched around the roadmap to focus on building this feature. And now we are planning on launching this on Friday. So this is an experience that you won't get with any other CRM platform. This ability to actually, for anyone that uses ProLine, to contribute to our roadmap, contribute ideas, and then actually have those ideas get implemented, especially if you can get other users to vote on that feature and prioritize it, to get us to prioritize it. This is just one of the ways that we go out of our way to listen to our users, listen to the needs of the companies that are on ProLine, and then get those ideas implemented as quickly as possible. So we also have this roadmap view here where you can see things broken down by where they are in the process. So we have ideas that are under consideration. These are basically, we're waiting for votes to come in to see whether or not these are a high need or not. So kind of gauge the needs. So under consideration, these are kind of out there waiting for votes. Then we have queued. So queued is things that have enough votes and or are relatively easy enough that we are going to go ahead and prioritize them in our roadmap. So it doesn't guarantee that, it doesn't have any definite timeline on when these are going to get launched. But they're queued up, they're waiting. It's an almost definite yes that they will get implemented at some point. We just don't have them currently in development. This is where multiple assignees was up until just a couple days ago, and then when it started getting more votes and it just started kind of trending up, we moved it into development. So we have in development, this is what our development team is currently working on today. So you can always see what's coming down the pipe, what's coming down the pipe soon. And then we have live, and you can see we have a ton of features that we have launched live now. And it's not always what has the most votes. As you can see, there's some stuff here that only has one or a few votes, but usually those are the things that were, it took us an hour to go ahead and just launch it. It was for a specific company, whereas bigger things that have more lift, that take more time and are a bigger investment, we do generally have to wait until there's enough interest to justify the investment on our part. So that is how we handle ideas and feature requests, and how every user in ProLine is able to contribute to that process.